kids, I unboxing a dumpling. Oh, it's a for. Oh, it's down. Come here, come here. Come on, come on. Yeah, dumpling time. And I'm gonna open it. Let's wait. I'm gonna read this. Dumpling! Whoa, dumpling! Oh, dumpling. It's just like a slime. Yummy. I mean not yummy. I like a shupao. Just wait. Shupao, guys. Oh, shupao. Shupao. It's just like a shupao. Okay, bye-bye, huh?